Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that matter. Check the SIM is active, inserted correctly, and not blocked by a PIN. Next, toggle airplane mode on then off to reboot radios. This forces a fresh network scan. Once done, open Settings, go to Mobile Network, and set network operators to manual selection. This helps when automatic selection steers you to no service. These steps clear common registration glitches and prepare the phone for deeper fixes. Now you tackle network and software layers that block emergency calls. You should verify the APN and MMS settings match your carrier. Incorrect APN can impact signaling, so create a new APN profile if unsure. Make sure system and carrier updates are applied, because patches often fix radio and call routing bugs. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt configs. This removes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular profiles but preserves data. Only consider factory reset after this, since that's destructive. Finish by verifying emergency dialer behavior. Test calling emergency numbers with SIM present and in offline mode to observe differences. Inspect the baseband/modem version under Settings. If it's corrupted, reflash official firmware as a targeted fix. Do not use untrusted ROMs. If issues remain, insert a known working SIM to isolate hardware versus network faults, and note any error codes or messages. If nothing helps, provide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.